In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website with custom elements, easily embedding widgets and apps, and more. First, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. This website is your gateway to creating and customizing your online presence, from dragging and dropping elements to embedding widgets. Once you're there, navigate to the dashboard of your specific site. This dashboard is your control center, allowing you to manage all aspects of your website seamlessly. Next, we're going to dive into adding new elements to your site through the editor. Locate and click on Add Elements. This is the part where you can let your creativity run wild. From text boxes to image galleries, the possibilities are endless when it comes to making your website both functional and beautiful. Once you're in the Add Elements section, look for and then select Embed Code. This feature is incredibly useful for incorporating custom functionalities that might not be available in the standard Wix toolkit. Now click on Add Widgets and Apps to your site using HTML code. By doing this, you can unlock a new realm of customization for your site. This option allows you to integrate third-party widgets and apps that can enhance your site's capabilities, such as social media plugins, forms, and more. Now it's time to specify what external content you want to integrate. Click on Website Address, which will provide you with a field to enter the URL of the content you'd like to embed. Type in Facebook Shop into this field. Embedding a Facebook shop can significantly boost your online sales by integrating your social media storefront directly into your site, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. Once you have entered the address, click on Apply. This step confirms your addition and prepares it for the next stages of customization and placement on your website. After applying the changes, you'll notice a new section has appeared on your editor interface. This is your embedded content. To continue, click on the little X in the corner. While this might seem counterintuitive, this X just closes the current step and ensures your previous actions have been correctly implemented without discarding them. Finally, the most crucial part of the entire process, saving your work. Click on Save. This ensures that all your hard work and the enhancements you've made are safely stored on the Wix platform and can be published whenever you're ready. Remember, regularly saving your progress while making changes is key to avoiding any accidental losses. And there you have it. You've successfully used the tools available on manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enrich your site with new elements and an embedded Facebook shop. Enjoy your enhanced website experience and happy creating.